Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let's see the correct options. What are the correct options? For example, he was too hasty. Already answer is already written. It's B part, but why it's B part? Why it is adverb of you can say degree, telling the intensity of the action. Clear? That's the reason. It is adverb of degree. Next one. Try again. He says it's E part. E part again that shows frequency. Clear? Routine or frequency. Next one. Third is called enough. Why it is D part? Telling the intensity of the action. Clear? Or intensity of something. Next one. She arrived a few minutes ago. It's a drop of time because it is talking about the time. When she arrived, few minutes ago. I see things differently now. So differently is the adverb of manner. Why it is adverb of manner? Telling how I see the things. How I see the things. Answering the question how I see the things. Serious? Clear? Next, come in. It's I think adverb of place. In is a place. Come in. What is in? In is a place. Clear? She never present during our discussions. Or she is never present during our discussions. Never is I think adverb of frequency telling the you can say frequency of an action. Clear? Repetition of an action. I have talked to him already. Already is a adverb of time. Already means talking about the time. Next one. Number 9. He drove the car recklessly. Recklessly. How he drove the car? Answering the question. How he drove the car. That's the reason it is a adverb of manner. I have heard this before. Again, it is a adverb of time because talking about the time. When you heard it before. It's answering the question when. Next one is okay. See, they work hard. How they work? Answering the question how. Clear? She looked for them everywhere. Where she looked for them? Answering the question of location. Where? Place. Clear? You are terribly wrong. How wrong you are. I think it's the adverb of degree telling the intensity of the action. He went to Lahore yesterday. Talking about the time, I think. Yesterday. When he went to Lahore? Yesterday. Talking about the time. The end came soon. So it is the adverb of time, I think. Clear? There is a screw loose somewhere. Screw loose somewhere. It is the adverb of place. Somewhere shows place. I had a letter from him. Lately. So lately is the adverb of time. When I had a time for him or from him lately. I expect him to arrive tomorrow. Again it's an adverb of time. When I expect him to arrive, answering the question when. He is always late for class. Okay, it's the adverb of time again. When he is late. Next one, she sings pretty well. How she sings? Answering the adverb of manner. Clear? Yes. Next one. Introduction to prepositions. Clear? So, update. Position. Pre and position. Pre plus preposition. Mean that comes before. Means place before. Prepositions usually come before another word, often a noun or phrase. They come before another word, often a noun or phrase. Preposition is a word that precedes a noun or pronoun. They come before a noun or pronoun. Clear? It shows the nouns or pronouns relationship to another word in the sentence. They are basically for the relationship, for the link. Clear? Connection. While preposition often precedes a noun or pronoun, this isn't always the case. So it does not happen all the time. Clear? Examples of the preposition above, about, across, against, along. These are the some prepositions that I am talking about. are written over here. Prepositions are key to understanding how words relate in a sequence, how words are related to each other in a sequence. They help define locations, time, directions, and more. But they help, they tell us about the locations, time, directions,
more.
and many more things. Okay. The correct use of preposition improves clarity in communication. Why do we use preposition? For clarity in communication. Clear? Next slide. 18 number slide. List of prepositions. I think some common prepositions include above, about, across, against. Other prepositions along, among, around, at, before, behind. Then prepositions like below, beneath, beside, beyond, by, down, during, except, for, and from are also common. In, inside, into, like, near, of, on are commonly used prepositions. Clear? Next one, other. Other prepositions include since, to, toward, through, under, and until. Up, upon, with, and within are additional prepositions throughout. These words have linked pronouns, nouns or pronouns to other parts of the sentence. They link. They are basically linking the other parts of the sentence with each other. Mastering these words will improve sentence structure and meaning. Clear? They improve the sentence structure, they improve the meaning, they improve the clarity. Clear? So next we will study later on in some other class. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.